Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number 2506, excellent operating 2008 WorldLift. This is WFG50 series, the 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. There's approximately 189 inches of max lift height. Unit is equipped with the side shifts. Load backrest, 42-inch pallet forks. Wade's going to run it up for us. It's running a smooth running 4-cylinder GM LP gas engine. Automatic transmission. As you can see, very high up in the sky. This unit has had a full PM service, recent repairs, has good existing paint. You can check it out online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. Thank you very much for watching.